Now, tonight, you can catch the Walmart Amp's July 4th Firework Spectacular.
And you can do so from your home by tuning into KNWA. The show will start following a performance from the Symphony of Northwest Arkansas. Our Kayla Davis joins us live at the Walmart Amp in Rogers. Good morning, Kayla. I heard you went to SoNA's rehearsal yesterday.
I did. Good morning. In fact, SoNA sounded so good that I went ahead and got myself some of those $5 lawn tickets. And I also took a few notes while I was listening to the Symphony of Northwest Arkansas tune up their instruments. And one thing I noticed is that every SoNA member had a big old jug of water. So no matter your Independence Day plan, it's a good reminder to stay hydrated. I also heard songs from popular movies and musicals, as well as the American-themed classics you'd expect at a 4th of July celebration. And I asked SoNA's assistant conductor, Sarah Pearson, what it means to her to have people fill up the amp tonight or tune in at home.
I come from a long heritage of patriotism and those that gave their life and their service to our country, so it means a great deal to me. But to be able to celebrate musically from all backgrounds and people to come together, it's just incredible.
Pearson says a lot of time and planning goes into putting on the hour-long show before the fireworks, but says it's worth every second. And you can join Pearson and the rest of SoNA when the gates to the amp open tonight at 7. Music starts at 8, and the fireworks will start going off at 9:15. And, of course, you can still just stay home and watch it all live on KNWA. That will start at 8 p.m. Live in Rogers, Kayla Davis, KNWA Today, Northwest Arkansas News.
All right, Kayla, thank you for that. We also have our Jason Stoll out there live as well that we'll check in a bit later.